Pickup trucks face rough roads, long drives, and demanding conditions every day. The best dash cam for pickup trucks helps capture clear footage, protect against accidents, and record every mile reliably. In this guide, discover durable dash cams with wide angles, night vision, and dependable performance built for truck owners.
After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. TERUNSOUl 512GB Max Dash Cam. The TERUNSOUl 512GB Max Dash Cam is a powerful recording solution designed for drivers who want clear, reliable footage from both the front and rear of their vehicle. With its Ultra HD 4K front and 4K rear recording capability, this dash cam captures highly detailed video that can clearly show road conditions, vehicles, and license plates. The front camera features a wide 170-degree viewing angle, allowing it to monitor multiple lanes at once and provide excellent coverage for large vehicles like pickup trucks. This wide field of view helps reduce blind spots and ensures more of the road is captured in every recording. Another standout feature is the built-in loop recording system combined with a responsive G sensor. The dash cam includes a pre-installed 128GB memory card, so it's ready to use right out of the box, and it supports storage expansion up to 512GB for extended recording time.
Number 2. Vantrue N4S Dash Cam. The Vantrue N4S Dash Cam is a versatile and high-performance camera system that delivers extensive vehicle monitoring with its advanced 3-channel recording setup. Designed to capture footage from the front, interior, and rear of the vehicle, the N4S records in impressive clarity with 2.7K resolution for the front camera and 1440p resolution for both the cabin and rear cameras. This setup provides nearly complete coverage around the vehicle, making it an excellent option for drivers who want extra protection on the road. Wide-angle lenses of 158 degrees, 165 degrees, and 160 degrees help eliminate blind spots and ensure critical moments are captured clearly. One of the most impressive aspects of the N4S is its advanced nighttime recording capability. The system uses Sony Starvis 2 sensor technology, combined with HDR processing to capture clear images even in very low light conditions. PlatePix technology further enhances license plate clarity, helping drivers capture important visual evidence when driving at night, in tunnels, or in poorly lit areas.
Number 3. IIWEY 1080p Dash Cam. The IIWEY 1080p Dash Cam is a comprehensive recording system designed to capture full vehicle surroundings with its unique 4-camera configuration. This model offers 360-degree monitoring by recording footage from the front, rear, interior, and side views simultaneously. Each camera records in Full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage of events happening around the vehicle. For drivers who want flexible recording options, the camera also supports a 2.5K plus triple 1080p recording mode, providing enhanced video quality for the main front camera. A major benefit of the IIWEY N5 Dash Cam is its wide viewing angles. The front and rear cameras feature 170-degree lenses, while the side cameras capture 150-degree views, significantly expanding coverage around the vehicle. This wide perspective helps reduce blind spots and ensures important moments are recorded from multiple directions. The 3-inch IPS display allows drivers to easily view recordings, adjust settings. Number 4. virrow Dashcam Dash Cam. The virrow Dashcam Dash Cam delivers strong performance and clear recording quality with its dual camera system designed to capture both front and rear driving footage. The front camera records in impressive 4K resolution, while the rear camera records in crisp 2.5K HD. This high-resolution combination provides excellent clarity, making it easier to identify vehicles, road signs, and license plates in recorded videos. With a wide 170-degree viewing angle in the front and 165 degrees in the rear, the camera captures a broad perspective of the road and significantly reduces blind spots. A highlight of this dash cam is its built-in touchscreen interface. The 3.39-inch display allows drivers to control settings, review recordings, and navigate menus quickly using simple touch controls. This design makes it easier to manage the device without dealing with complicated button combinations. The dashcam also records front and rear footage simultaneously, ensuring important events are captured from both directions. Number 5. Affver 64GB Dash Cam. The Affver 64GB Dash Cam is a compact yet capable camera system designed to provide clear and reliable recording for everyday driving. The front camera captures footage in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering sharp and detailed video that can clearly show road activity, traffic conditions, and license plates in recorded videos. The rear camera records in 1080p resolution and features a 155-degree wide viewing angle, providing dependable coverage behind the vehicle. Together, these cameras create a balanced front and rear monitoring setup that helps drivers capture important moments on the road. One of the key advantages of this dash cam is its integrated GPS and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity. With built-in GPS tracking, the device records driving speed, routes, and location data, allowing users to review their trips accurately. The upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi significantly improves video transfer speeds, making it faster and easier to download recordings directly to a smartphone through the companion mobile app. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.